Hello everyone!
Hi there, camera!
What's up, friends?
Today we are opening our, I don't know what number we're on. 4? 5?
5,
Fifth?
I think,
Fifth
yeah.
box? The May box from Gacha Gacha, Japan, crate.
It's leaking colors.
Yeah, it's oozing some Easter confetti.
Let's pop her open.
Don't hurt yourself.
Don't try this at all.
Oh boy.
It's gonna be me!
It's gonna be.
How dare I do?
Start with the clear one. I don't know what this is, but it made me say whoa. It's got these guys.
I don't know what those guys are.
Me either, but they
Whoa.
look neat.
They look like the Yamadas.
They look like a doo-wop group. But they look pretty neat.
They look old school. It looks like old school animation to me, not like, you know?
Yeah,
Comes with a little chain. You can put the chain on it.
but right now, it's off the chain. Oh, it's Kirby!
Kirby!
Sleepy little Kirbs.
What you doing, Kirby? There's been a lot of Kirbs lately, eh?
I like Kirbs. Look how sleepy he is. He's off to dreamland.
It's so close. Aww, we can put it with our other Kirby. We got a Zelda Kirby a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, apparently there's a cowboy Kirby, and a candy Kirby, and a hammer Kirby, and some sort of weird winter-looking Kirby.
I like that Kirby seems to be making a comeback, at least in terms of gachapon.
Don't call it a comeback. He's been here for years.
Another reference that no one's gonna get.
Everyone's gonna get that.
But these are the other Kirbys you can get. I like that the one ball seems to be like a cooler ball. Excited for that.
There we go.
Ooh, what the heck is that?
This is a little insane. They're ice cream people?
Is it Anpan?
Some sort of ice cream person.
Yeah, this is Anpanman. It says up in the corner there.
Oh,
Anpanman. I'm a new generation Anpanman. Yeah, this is a character from Anpanman apparently.
Dokin-chan.
Dokin-chan.
Party. Happy. That's what the cone says.
I'm a new superhero Anpanman. Aww.
Oh, it's a watch.
Another watch, eh?
It's like a bear watch. Bear with me a second. What time is it? Bear time!
Baby, if you don't change your watch up to wear that all of the time, I will be very embarrassed to be around you.
Yeah.
Not even close.
I might be able to get to the first or the farthest.
Yes, this is your new watch now. You might remember I got a watch a couple of months ago, and it was a, what are they called? The Animal Crossing. But this one's pretty dope. Time's wrong. That's so awesome. Yeah, I can do it.
See, it's on my melody thing.
It's easy. I loosened it.
You did?
Aw, which one did you get? Did you get the anuses? Because there's little magical anuses you can get.
I think I got anuses.
Aw, that's too bad. Is it a hair clip?
Yeah,
We got the big size. We got the big size one.
Strong enough to hold paper. So, on to the grand finale.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we're only going to do one more of these videos, presumably.
So far, how have you liked your Christmas gift?
Oh, it's been very awesome. Thank you.
Not as good as visiting Japan, but in a time when we're stuck here, I guess it's the next best thing.
And Merry Christmas.
What the heck is this? A tiny Tetris or something?
This appears to be an arcade machine. I guess I'll pull out the...
No. So, the first kanji is thunder. Thunder Kid?
Startle. It's like a Tetris space shooter. I don't understand how it works though. It looks like I died though. How do I know what I am? Oh, I shoot. Okay. Oh yeah, blew that guy up. Nope, I blew up. It's like the space shooter version of Tetris. Surprised it's a fully functional, tiny little video game. You're like a Tetris block.
Yeah.
And you fire and move around and have to shoot the other little Tetris blocks. Interesting.
Pretty neat. What would you say is your favorite?
Once again, I'm a sucker for the curbs. I like the
Me
curb
too.
things.
I'm a sucker for the curb.
Yeah.
Don't curb your enthusiasm for Kirby.
Although my new watch is pretty ballin'.
Overwhelmingly, everything we got today is like ridiculously tank. But minus the slot machine. Yeah, pretty cool. Let us know what your favorite item was as well.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh. Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
And we'll check out next week's, and check out next month's Gachapon as well.
Yeah.
That's the finale of this riveting series. Take luck, camera.